हाय गाइस, तो आज मैं आपके लिए एक और सरप्राइज़ लेके आ रहा हूँ. So let's continue in English. So I'm bringing you one more surprise today, and that's Rosie dhaba, Indian food. So ये मुझे लगा था कि ये प्रॉपर कोई रेस्टोरेंट होगा. I thought like this would be like a proper restaurant in a place. But when I came here, I came to know it's on a truck over here. So I came to the gym and I was thinking that I'm such a big fool that I came here. But I was just walking around because I have a habit to walk around. So I was just walking around and I just, explored this masterpiece. So let me show you the place, and this is the place over here, and that's their menu. They have around like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items over here, and they have basically chicken and chola, that's chickpeas. So they have like a space here, which is like a table over here, and only like few people can sit, if you can see over here. And just wait for a surprise. They are not Indians, they are Mexicans. I haven't seen this before. Mexicans making Indian food. That's like very, very surprising. So this is like, I will try it and I will give you a feedback of the taste. Hopefully it will taste good. It seems like because more than Indian restaurants, they have a better review online. So wish me good luck so I can try the food and then I'll get back to you. Okay